In a storybook setting where gaily colored glass-bottom boats sail over the fantastic underwater world of Florida's Silver Springs, there is located a bit of Never Never Land, where children and happiness reign supreme. Going through the door of the International Deer Ranch is like passing through the looking glass into Alice's land of make-believe. Here, Santa's deer and their many cousins meet the happy children. The delighted children love Santa's helpers, and the deer are so tame, they eat from their hands. Nowhere else in the world are these gentle creatures treated with such love and devotion. Santa Claus himself has supervised their journey here from their original homes in all parts of the world. When the dinner bell rings, all the starboarders know the sound and come a-running. Santa's friends are well fed and get the best of care to prepare them for his annual visit to good boys and girls at Christmas time. Dasher and Comet and Donner and Blitzen are all here, along with Rudolph, the little red-nosed reindeer. They all have fun gambling and frolicking with their cousins from 18 different countries. After your visit with these fleet and beautiful animals, you enter the Florida frontier, where even greater thrills await. Through corridors green and splashed with sunlight, the happiness tour is continued with brief looks at the small animals of the forest. And the big red swamp deer. Now comes the grandest thrill of all. Visions of sugar plums and candy canes. It's Santa's winter home, where children of all ages delight in seeing the jolly old man's workshop and hundreds of colorful toys. During November and December, Santa himself is here to greet each wide-eyed youngster. He makes everyone a member of his official Happiness Club. After Santa, there is a magic spring where the water flames up at your approach like a fire-breathing dragon. Here, wishes are said to come true when a penny is tossed into the bubbling water. And the baby animals are not neglected. This is the animal nursery, where the very young animals take milk from baby bottles. Even a gangling llama baby noses in for his share. For the very young and the young in heart, there is nothing as exciting and delightful as your visit to the fanciful world of the International Deer Ranch at Florida's Silver Springs.